Hi, this is a quick video to show you on a 2008 Honda Civic how to route the accessory belt. Okay, nothing fancy, it's just a quick guide to how to install the belt in case you lost the track of the routing. This is 2008 Civic with 4-cylinder, 1.8 engine. So you could see how you route the belt. It's a very quick video. Hopefully this helped you. Again, it's nothing fancy. It's just I like to draw the routing before I take it, so I don't have to go crazy looking for the schematic or the routing. Okay, so this is how the belt goes. I hope this is helpful. If you like it, just give me a like or share or subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you. Good luck.